Hi guys, and welcome back for another video. If you're embarking on an international flight departing from NAIA Terminal 3, then this video is for you. I'll also be enumerating additional requirements for all our seafarers out there who are also departing from NAIA Terminal 3. So to all our seafarers out there, watch this. First off, and before anything else, have yourself tested to make sure you are fit to travel and that you don't have the coronavirus. I had done my PCR test 2 days prior to my departure, and the result was sent to me after 24 hours via email, and thankfully it came out as negative. The medical facility sent me 3 documents via email, which were the PCR test result, the certification, which essentially just certifies that you have done the PCR test on this particular date and at this particular clinic or hospital. And the third one is for the seafarers, which is the pre-departure fit to travel clearance. So I have printed all these 3 documents and kept it ready for my departure. The moment you arrive at the airport and before you can enter the building, an initial security check will be conducted. In here, they will check your passport, your PCR test, and your ticket. Now, after passing through their security scanner, you would normally just go and proceed directly to your check-in counters. However, we are now in the new normal. An airport representative will ask you to proceed to a verification desk for the verification of your PCR test before you can proceed to your check-in counters. In the verification process, they will check if your PCR test is authentic and that the result is negative. After the verification process, you can now proceed to your check-in counters. Another representative will be checking your passport and as well as the visa of your destination. At the check-in counters, they will ask for your passport and ticket. And for Filipino seafarers, they will also ask for your OEC or Overseas Employment Certificate and also your Seaman's Book. After checking in and receiving your boarding pass, ask for a departure form. This departure form is required for all Filipino departures only. So if you are a seafarer, before you proceed to the immigration, make sure you fill up this departure form. Now that you have filled up your departure form, you can now proceed for immigration check. In the immigration, they will be checking your passport and boarding pass. And for Filipino seafarers, they'll also be checking your departure form, OEC, Seaman's Book, letter of guarantee, and OK to board letter, which will be provided by your company. And lastly, will be the COVID declaration, which is also provided by your company. This COVID declaration is essentially just to declare that you are a hired worker and that you are fully informed of the risk of the COVID-19 by reporting to your workplace, and also that you will comply with the prescribed health and medical protocols during your travel. So this COVID declaration form will be sent to you by your company, and you just need to print, fill it out, sign, and always remember it has to be notarized. Otherwise, it will not be accepted in the immigration. After passing through the immigration check, a secondary immigration check will be conducted. Here they will just check your passport and boarding pass. Then after they have checked your passport and boarding pass, you can now proceed to the final security scan and then proceed to your boarding gates. And now that you're at your boarding gates, finally you can sit back and relax and wait for your flight. Surprisingly, the Trace app was not used anywhere in the airport, so it was quite a disappointment. And again, reminder, please bring and wear your face masks and face shields. Wear them properly. Before I end this video, I just want to give a quick shout out to Migo Clothing Line for this very cool t-shirt, which I'll also be including their Facebook page link down in the description so you can check out their products and grab yours at a very reasonable price. I hope you find this video useful in preparing for your departure at NAIA Terminal 3, and if you do, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos. That's it for now. Ciao.